Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Choco Lava cake with no maida and no white sugar. Adding 2 tablespoons of desi ghee, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of lukewarm milk. Mix all together, make sure to combine well. Add 2 to 4 drops of vanilla essence. Mix everything together. Add half cup of wheat flour along with these 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder and mix all together without forming any lumps. Everything should be well combined here. Make sure to have a ribbon consistency. Adding to this 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all together. Add 1/4 cup of batter to the greased mold and on top of it add some dark chocolate pieces chunks and make sure to cover the batter. Preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. Bake for 8 minutes at 180 degree. Once it is completely cooled down and demold it and then ready for serve. Enjoy this easy, tasty and healthy cake. While cooking with the stove, cook with the love. Any dish can be a delicious. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.